Assalamualaikum, I'm Yasmin Pananggilan, the next reporter of Chapter 7, and this is continuation of our report. Present value of simple deferred perpetuity. The present value of perpetuity refers to a series of indefinite cash flow at a constant interval, discounted back at a certain rate. So, meron tayong P, present value of simple deferred perpetuity. A, deferred perpetuity periodic payment. I, periodic interest rate. M, periodic of determent. Find the present value of deferred perpetuity of 1,000 at 10% compounded quarterly if the first payment is made at the end of the fifth quarter. So, to calculate the present value of deferred perpetuity, we need to consider that the first payment is made at the end of certain period. In this case, we are given that the first payment is made at the end of fifth quarter and the interest rate is 10% compounded quarterly. So, let's proceed. The 1,000 over 0.25 is 40,000 and itong 1 plus 0.25, i-divide natin siya sa 0.25 para makuha ang equal na 3,761.74. So, 40,000 minus 3,671.97, ang total equal niya ay 36,238.03. Ito na yung deferred perpetuity natin. In this statement, deferred perpetuity and deferred annuity are concepts in finance that involve the payment of a series of cash flow at some point in the future. Both concepts can be understood by comparing them to their present value counterparts, a simple perpetuity and simple annuity.